Hello, my name is Amanda, and my partner Travis and I welcome you to our Unit 2 case study. Unit 2 is a comprehensible unit over media utilization. We have provided the definition here. But media utilization is not a complicated idea. In fact, media utilization can be viewed as showing students or adults visuals and graphics within presentations, documents, or even showing a video that shows the information to the learners in a way that they are able to understand. The case study we have put together is on Greenfields Elementary. The school district recently celebrated their 100-year anniversary. Houses more than 41,000 students over 45 campuses. The area of interest is implementing blended learning in grades 3 through 5th. We are specifically interested in a blended learning described by Clayton Christian Institute. This particular model allows students to rotate through stations on a fixed schedule, where at least one station is an online learning station. Here we have provided a short video that explains the how and why to integrate station rotation into your classroom. The specific problem deal with the culture of negativity that stems from the absence of a unified focus, lack of accountability by leadership, and inconsistent and fractured implementation of instructional programs. Unfortunately, innovation is often thought of and accepted by the administration of Greenfields Elementary as implementing various technological tools haphazardly and unsystematically. The alternatives would be if the faculty and staff unified under guiding statements that place the focus of all efforts on the success of every child. In conclusion, by using the systematic implementation of station rotation blended learning into the classroom as a catalyst to trigger a much-needed structural change and establish a system of consistent accountability, a new era of success and learning will be enjoyed by teachers, students, and all stakeholders of Greenfield Elementary.